To me, great place to work is something when an employee comes to work every single day and goes back home in the evening, he or she should be very extremely happy about what they have accomplished and that the company has given such opportunity for them to be able to do what they've done that day. And that should repeat every single day. And when they look back after a year, couple of years, they should be proud of what they have accomplished in the process, how they have grown, and the opportunities that the company and their organization within the company has provided them for their careers and growth. So to me, when a company is in a position to be able to do so and keep the employees happy long term and give them an opportunity to grow, to me, that's a great place to work. As a leader of the organization Pi, what keeps me going is, to me, I look forward for the next day, every single day, because I think there are a number of opportunities that are untapped, a lot of innovation to be done, especially we being in data center and cloud organization, which is at the center of technology, and especially during the current times, being the heart of what's happening around us, enabling as an enabler. There is a tremendous amount of opportunity to innovate. And for me, that's that zeal to look forward to what I can do the next day. I cannot wait for that every single day. So that's exactly what I would like everybody in my organization to feel, that to do something great, to do something wonderful, and come back to and look forward to coming back to work the next day. And that happens again when the company is a great place to work. And that's what at Pi we do in providing those opportunities of open innovation, collaboration, the speed at which we do things, driving decisions fast enough so that people are in data. So these kind of things are certain things that we do. And to me, that's what I do every day, and that's what I would like, and I see actually in our pioneers doing it every day. For Pi, culture is extremely important, especially when it comes to colleagues, peers within the company, working with them, respecting their ideas, and working together as a team. Team is everything. I mean, what Pi is today is nothing but the team. What we have accomplished is what the team was able to do together. And talking about the company as a recruiting magnet at Pi, our culture is, and we promote and foster this culture of belongingness, pride, in enabling people to contribute to various things. So pretty much everybody feels at home. And for whatever reason, if a particular employee leaves for a particular personal reason or whatever reason, in many cases, we have seen people wanting to come back to Pi and missing that sense of culture and respect and belongingness. In many cases where people have gone to other cities due to personal reasons or moved due to personal situations. In a year, 2 years, we had many examples of people wanting to come back, and many people came back. So this is a great moment of pride for me and my management team at Pi, this culture, and we would want to continue to further foster this culture at Pi. At Pi, it's about we, us. And it starts right from me. And when we are making decisions, when we are starting new initiatives, there is a lot of deliberation, there is a lot of debate within the management team on whether, whatever the new initiative that we are doing is the right or wrong. But having said that, we don't wait too long to make a decision. We ensure that we have the right amount of data to be able to move forward. But we promote a very open culture where people work together as a team. We try to shut down things where we have suggestions, or anywhere a person or an individual tries to push an individual or a singular agenda. We try to bring that to light, and we try to shut it down as early as possible, so that people work together as a team, and these decisions are discussed mostly on a consensus basis most of the time, and we quickly move forward at the same time. So and the same culture is pushed down into the organization, promoted into the organization when technology discussions are happening, a particular solution is being developed for a customer. It's a culture. If you take our environment, you have a security individual, you have a networking individual, you have a computing expert, you have a storage expert, you have a network expert, so on and so forth. All these people come together to be able to to drive a singular solution. So it is never about I, it's only about me. When it comes to talent development, I think Pi is very special in many ways, because the industry and the sector in which we are, which is a cloud and a data center industry, is not a very matured industry in the Indian market. And there aren't people who are specifically skilled for some of the skills that we look for. Data center industry is a combination of many things, all the way starting from civil engineers to mechanical to electrical to HVAC to computer engineers to network engineers to security people to physical security, etc., etc. I can go on and on as it gets deeper and deeper. So it's a culmination of many things, and it's extremely difficult in some of these areas to find skills in the Indian market, and especially for an organization who runs mission critical services and workloads like Pi, it's extremely rare we find the right matches out there in the industry. So the way we foster training and other things starts from hiring the freshers or even a sort of semi-experienced to experienced people, and we kind of slowly move them into the groove of what Pi expects to be able to deliver on a day-to-day basis for a particular role. In all these previous roles that we mentioned, it's very difficult to find people. So we're proud to say that we foster talent in a tremendous way, all the way from hiring freshers to experienced people, and provide on-the-job training opportunities both for new freshers as well as the experienced people, and take them 4 notches above from where they are within 12 months. Typically, in a typical organization, if it takes somebody to achieve a certain skill or an experience, if it takes 4 to 5 years at Pi, typically you can see people acquiring that kind of maturity in about 1 to 1.5 years. So in that way, we take tremendous amount of pride in fostering training and cultivating that into our culture. To me, I think for people who aspire or would like to work at Pi, we're slightly non-traditional in a way compared to many other organizations, even in IT. Pi is a place for people who has the zeal to learn, for zeal to grow, and be paranoid about things in terms of either solutions or technology, or being able to troubleshoot and get things done quickly. We do make decisions quickly, we look for solutions quickly, and we move forward very quickly. So Pi is a place, for either new people or aspirants who want to work at Pi, you need to be able to have that zeal to be able to run with the organization and grow in the process, grow yourself very, very quickly.